Welcome back, Tri-Gliders. Tri-Glider HD here, and today, as you can see, I got my hands on a Harley Davidson Freewheeler. It's actually a 2016 Freewheeler, and I'm pretty sure it has a Stage 2 upgrade on it. Not positive, but I'm guessing that's what it is because this 103 is kicking. And on today's video, I'll actually be sharing 4 key differences between the Harley Davidson Freewheeler and the Harley Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra, which is what you're used to seeing me ride in my videos. So let's go. Key difference number 1, and it's probably the most obvious difference here. As you can see here in the video, compared to my Tri-Glide Ultra, the Freewheeler has no upper fairing, no lower fairings. It has no infotainment screen. It is really just bare bones. The bare bones version of, I would say, the Tri-Glide Ultra, but it goes beyond that. The Tri-Glide Ultra, as I've said in my other videos, is more like an Ultra Limited with the third wheel. This is probably more like the Road King with the third wheel. And in fact, it kind of kicks like one too. This has a 103 and it's kicking pretty hard. Because the Freewheeler is a bare bones cruiser, it'd be a great option for somebody that really just wants to get the breeze on their knees and just enjoy the elements. My Tri-Glide Ultra, it protects me from all of those things, the wind and even the rain. So there you have it, key difference number 1, and just overall styling and features. Key difference number 2 is just the difference in weight. As I said in my previous videos, the Tri-Glide Ultras are just under 1,300 pounds, while the Freewheelers are just under 1,100 pounds, if I'm not mistaken. But I'll show that here on the screen, so you can take a look and ensure that I'm giving you the right stats. Key difference number 3 is storage capacity. As you can see in the B-roll, the Freewheeler only has the lower trunk with the funky design door, while my Tri-Glide Ultra has the tour pack up top and then the huge trunk down in the bottom. So obviously that means that the Tri-Glide Ultras can carry a lot more luggage, tools, and so on and so forth for those longer cruises, for the longer road trips, right? The Tri-Glide Ultras are amazing touring machines. Although the Freewheelers are more of a cruiser, I believe, just from what I'm feeling here on this ride, I believe it'd make for a pretty good touring machine as well. You just wouldn't be able to carry as much. That also means, and this goes back to the features, on the Freewheeler, if you had a passenger, they wouldn't be as comfortable because they don't have the full touring pack to rest their back on. Last but not least, key difference number 4, and this is a huge sell either way for the Tri-Glide Ultras or the Freewheelers, but the difference in price. The bare bones Tri-Glide Ultras are just under $38,000 right now on the Harley Davidson site, while the Freewheelers are just under $32,000. So that's a big enough difference for someone to say, okay, well, I don't need all of the things that a Tri-Glide Ultra has, so that just means I'll go with the bare bones Freewheeler, but I'll still get out there and enjoy the riding. But it's also close enough in price to just be like, well, I'll just go with the upgrades, the fairings, the infotainment, the navigation, the added comfort for the rider, so on and so forth, and just go with the Ultra, which is amazing. So that'll do it for this video. If you would like to see more POV riding videos with me on my Tri-Glide Ultra, feel free to click one of these videos here on the screen. And as always, we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.